tell you what, it's absolutely freezing and pouring, but I just wanted to show you these amazing creatures. Look at them coming towards us, and I'm not talking about the men on top of them or women. Aren't they beautiful? Oops. Just listen to the sound of the rain. I want them to shut up, the police to shut up. Listen to the sound of the rain and the hoofs. It is. I like rain, but it's got to ease off a little bit, otherwise I'm not going to be able to get my camera out. I just wanted to say as well, I was looking up about the pelicans and stuff on, turn around, the pelicans and stuff on in St James's Park, and they are clipped, and I think, so don't quote me, don't come back and say no, you got that wrong, because I'm not an official site and I don't remember, I didn't write it down, but I think they were brought here as a present from Russia to King Henry VIII. I'll look it up. You look it up. And I was also reading about St James's Park that it had cows and it did have deer, which makes me think about Bushy. Oh my goodness, it's so quiet, and this is what's good about the rain. But my hands are numb, even though I'm wearing mittens. Let me just go over here. You know, I went and had my coffee. I had a coffee actually to keep me awake, and it's just really beautiful down here today, and I'm sure it's to do with the rain. It's almost like there's a different type of person, someone that wants to be out here when it's really disgusting weather. And I've just had some lovely conversations with people, and I'm meeting these gorgeous little creatures. Look at this one. Now I feel sorry for it because I haven't got anything. Hello. Sorry, baby. I haven't managed to get a photo of a black and white swan yet. I've got a photo of a black swan and a white swan, and I've got lots of squirrels. But yeah, the rain is awful, and I hope my camera's going to be okay, but the actual atmosphere here is different. It's quieter. In fact, I think I'm going to go back that way and find a pelican as well. But yeah, I just wanted to come back on here to say, look at it. So I've seen the herons and the moorhens, and there's another gorgeous creature here. Look! I haven't got anything for you though. But I'm sure they're full enough. And he's coming back. What amazing colours you have. I've learned one thing about animals, they don't like cameras. Let's have a look at this one. Let's see if he comes towards me. Wow. You notice these coots? The coots are the ones with the white heads. Look at the size of their feet. You want one, baby? Because you are awesome. You little pretty. If I can find another one. Oh my goodness, I don't think I've got any more. Right, let's go and take a proper photograph. Let's go and take a proper photograph. It's still cold, it's still wet. But you know what? I prefer it. To be quite honest, I prefer it. Right, it's dark and I need to go home. And I've had such a really good day. I went for my coffee and I need to get into the water. Over and out for today. What a perfect way to spend the sun.